Hey guys, welcome back to Emmventures. So today we have a special little treat. We are going on a nice little exploration and let's just get this party started. Let's get excited. All right, so we haven't come in far. We are just going to explore this beautiful little area. So, just some things about here. First of all, it's definitely a little forest. It's nothing huge or anything like that. This is in my hometown, so I have grown up around this forest for sure. Just like, look at these trees. So, this is a public trail. We will potentially hear and see people as there is an actual bike path right there with a little parking lot nearby as well. Yeah, so we'll go and check out what's over here. Bunch of old wood. So beautiful though. So this is more of like the biking area. And as you can hear, there's people all over. Well, not in here, but there's a bunch of people on the walking path. There's a little bit of graffiti, which is quite nice because there's actually not much graffiti in here. It's one thing I really enjoy about this place is that people actually take care of it for the most part. It's like, look at all that. So I know it's nothing super exciting, but we're just trying to enjoy the little things and just trying to be out with nature. See, it's totally a biking trail. Kids have varied stumps, made jumps. So if you're enjoying this video and having fun exploring this forest area with me, just remember, comment, like, subscribe, and turn on all your notifications so you can come and see more Emmventures. Because you just never know where we're going to end up next. Looks like some kids try to create a structure of some sort, which is pretty cool. Let's see if we can just get a better look at this. That was probably once like a complete teepee or a small little log cave. If you know the real word for what a log cave or thing that they were trying to build there, definitely drop it in the comments. Let me know. It's pretty cool. Looks like this is some kind of little place to either hang out or get muddy and a random purple ball. Just some nice logs. But yeah, there's not much going on in here. Just a beautiful forest and some beautiful trees. Exploring outside in Canada. I haven't been in this forest in years, so a lot of this stuff is new to me. Just gonna follow this little path here. And that's the thing too, is this isn't a very big forest, but it's definitely a little forest. There's a lot of trees that actually look like they've been cut down. They might have been too overgrown or something and something happened. Oh. So in the summertime, definitely have to come back and see how green this place gets. Because, like I said before, we are currently in beginning to mid-March in Canada, so it's actually, technically today's the first day of spring. So that's pretty cool. And we're just gonna follow this little trail. Just enjoying the views. I think we're getting to the end of this little path. Yeah, I think there's like a school or a play yard over on the other side, and some kids playing and having a grand old time, enjoying the beautiful weather that we are currently having. And as you guys can see, there is no snow in here. Yes, no snow. So we're just going to follow this trail back. Oh, look what I found. It's an old beehive. But yeah, so if you guys are enjoying my video, please comment below. If you happen to see anything that I don't see, definitely shout out and timestamp it so I can figure it out. Are these woodpecker holes? If you guys know what animal created these holes, let me know. I most definitely am enjoying these adventures with you guys, and just want to give a big shout out to all of my wonderful subscribers and everyone who viewed the very first episode of Emmventures. You guys freaking rock. I don't know if you can see it well or not. You guys can probably see much better than I can, because I'm currently semi-blinded by the sun. Because, you know, never think about wearing sunglasses. Oh. don't know if this will actually hold me. Oh, some snow. Oh, that was muddy. Very dangerous. And a very burnt stick. There's a fence over there. So I believe that's a school property. It is probably the most beautiful day it has been since winter hit. Even though very nice as well, and I do enjoy snow, and I actually wouldn't mind doing winter adventures this winter for you guys, because, well, here's a few little places to explore, and yeah, we can see where that goes with that. But let's continue on exploring this forest. That's a cool looking tree. Very old. A little squirrel just playing. Probably looking for all of his stash of seeds. But alright. Let's see if I can get out of here. Like I was saying, it's not a massive forest, but there's a huge ravine in the middle. And I don't actually think you can get out of the forest on this side of the ravine because it backs onto a school. Unsure if it's a public school or a high school because it has changed just a little bit. But, you know, it's never a dull moment, and we get to be outside in some nature and just seeing the world, and you guys get to come and explore with me. Well, yeah, so that's pretty much about it, truthfully. We're going to go over this way. Attempt to, because I have very horrible balance. All right. If I fall and I get it on camera, we need to screen capture and make a meme of me to this. I probably will. Okay, wish me luck. Oh, that one's very wobbly. Oh, I did it. Yes. Back up this nice big hill. I think we're actually going to take this path out because there's the other path, or I guess the biking path. But yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you can always get updated with the new Emmventures. And if you know of any cool places for me to explore, by all means, shout out and leave me a comment. And yeah, thanks for joining me today, and I had a blast. Hope you guys had fun too. And so remember, stay safe, have fun, and always enjoy the little things.